This Notebook LM trick changes everything. You are wasting hours every single week, reading documents you already uploaded, rewatching videos to find one specific part, searching through your own notes like they're someone else's. And the worst part? There is a free tool sitting right there that fixes all of it. Most people use it wrong. And I'm going to show you exactly how to use it right. Today, we are talking about Notebook LM. Specifically, one trick inside it that most people completely skip over. Once you see this, the way you read, research, and learn is going to be completely different. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you are going to understand why this is the feature that changes how you work with information. And I'll also tell you about a community that helped me figure out which AI workflows are actually worth your time and which ones are just noise. More on that in a minute. First, let me quickly explain what Notebook LM is in case you are new here. Notebook LM is a free AI tool from Google. All you need is a Google account to get started. You go to notebooklm.google, create a notebook, and start uploading your sources. And when I say sources, I mean almost anything. PDFs, Google Docs, Google Slides, Google Sheets, website URLs, YouTube video links, audio files, and even just pasted text. You can add up to 50 sources per notebook on the free tier, and all of that gets pulled into one place. Now here's what makes it different from something like ChatGPT. Notebook LM only answers from the documents you upload. It does not pull from the internet. It does not guess. It does not make things up. Every single answer comes directly from your sources, with citations showing you exactly where the information came from. That alone makes it one of the most reliable AI tools you can use right now. But that's just the foundation. The trick I want to show you goes so much deeper than that. When you upload your sources and head over to the Studio panel on the right side, you see something called Audio Overview. Most people click Generate and walk away. They get a podcast-style summary from 2 AI hosts, which is already impressive. But they stop right there. Here is the part they skip. Before you click Generate, there is a Customize button, and this is where everything changes. You can write a prompt that tells the AI hosts exactly what to focus on. You are not stuck with a generic summary of everything. You decide what matters. For example, you upload a 40-page research report. Instead of getting an overview of the entire thing, you type in the Customize box. Focus only on the key findings and what they mean for small teams. And now your audio is sharp, specific, and actually useful. Or you upload 10 different articles on the same topic. You customize and say, find where these sources disagree and explain why. Suddenly you have a discussion that cuts straight to the tension in the research. That is a completely different level of insight. Or let's say you are learning something new. You uploaded 3 dense academic papers. You write, explain this in simple terms for someone who has no background in this subject. The hosts adjust. You actually understand what you just listened to. This one step, the Customize button, takes Notebook LM from a useful summarizer to a personalized research assistant. Now, before I go further, I want to talk about something that helped me get to this level with AI tools. The mind map feature is one people consistently overlook. Once you have your sources loaded, you can generate a mind map directly from them. This is a visual overview of how all the ideas in your sources connect to each other. You see the main topics branching out into subtopics, and then into supporting points. Instead of reading through everything to find connections, the mind map shows you the structure instantly. You can spot gaps, find patterns, and figure out what areas need more research before you have read a single word. There is also a feature called data tables, which is newer and a lot of people have not seen it yet. You ask Notebook LM to pull information from your sources and organize it into a structured table. Then you can export that directly to Google Sheets. Think about what that means practically. You upload a stack of meeting transcripts and ask Notebook LM to extract all action items organized by person and priority. Out comes a clean table. You upload competitor research from 5 different sources and ask it to compare features and pricing. Table ready. You upload a set of historical articles and ask it to organize events by date, key figures, and outcomes. Done. Tasks that used to take hours of reading, copying, and organizing now take minutes. Organization matters too. Notebook LM lets you create separate notebooks for different projects. One for client work, one for learning a new skill, one for ongoing research. Each notebook is its own contained universe, so there is no bleed between projects. And if you work in a team, you can share notebooks with collaborators, set permissions for viewing or editing, and everyone works from the same source material. Now let me pull this all together with a real workflow you can start using today. Create a new notebook and start uploading everything related to your project. Articles, reports, YouTube video links, any notes you already have. Once your sources are in, hit the Discover Sources button. This feature searches the web and suggests additional sources related to your topic. You pick the ones that are relevant and add them in. Generate a mind map. Look at the big picture. See what you have, what is connected, and where the gaps are. Then go to the Customize button for your audio overview. Write a prompt that tells the AI exactly what you want to understand. Generate the audio. Then use interactive mode to dive into the parts that matter most to you. Ask questions. Get clarity. After that, use the Data Tables feature to pull out any structured information you need from your sources. You now have a research workflow that is faster, sharper, and more organized than anything that was possible even a year ago. And it is free. A few quick things worth knowing before you dive in. The free tier gives you up to 50 sources per notebook. If you need more, there is Notebook LM Plus, which is the paid tier. That gives you up to 300 sources per notebook, more notebooks overall, and more daily usage. Your data is not used to train any models. Whatever you upload stays within your account and is not shared outside your organization's trust boundary. That is worth knowing, especially if you are uploading work-related documents. Audio overviews are now available in over 80 languages. Interactive mode is currently only available in English, so keep that in mind.